Hello everyone, welcome back to AK Coding YouTube channel. I'm very happy to see you in this video, and today's topic is about Introduction to DOM Traversing. In a previous video we have learned about DOM manipulation. So if you're ready, let's get started. What is DOM traversing? DOM traversing allows moving up, moving down, and going to sideways in the document structure. And jQuery provides different methods to find elements efficiency, and it's very easy to do, and this is a very interesting topic, and try to understand each thing that I am teaching you. Okay, so how we can find the child elements with traversing in jQuery? Like, traversing means, like as I said here, it's like which allows to us moving up and down and then going to sideways in the document structure. So we have different types of child elements can be in our HTML, and we can select all the children of an element with using the key or the method which is a children. So selects all the children. But in the second example, if you're seeing from the parent ID is getting the children, but with the class of the child. This is interesting to find and select the child elements. So let's try with our Visual Studio Code this. So I'm going to delete the previous codes. So this also we don't need. Okay, we have the right. Okay, it's great. And I'm going to open two child elements here. So first can be lorem 1 and 1 actually, maybe 2, right? And it can be something, right? Okay, let's open first of all in our live server. Okay, it will be open soon. Okay, we have this, and now what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to give a ID for our div which is called main, and I'm going to give a class for that which is called child. Okay, in the first example as shown, we can select the ID of the main dot children, and when we do this, it's selecting all the childs of this, which is main's child, which are p and this second p, right? So in this case, we can give different kind of methods for them, like CSS or fading in, fading out, like everything we learned before, events, animations, right? So what I'm going to here after children, what can I write here? I can maybe write text, and I can change the text even to for example, hello world, right? And if I save this, as you can see, both of the childs are as fast as can change it to the hello world, because we are choosing all the children. For example, if I add more childs here, all of them will be hello world. Yep, this is amazing. And however, for example, if we have one child, and if I write after this code, for example, main dot children, and inside if I write dot child, which is this class I'm referring, yep, and yeah, there should be I, and if I write after this dot text to by world, the second will be by world. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, we have to delete this. Yep, as you can see here, it's changed automatically to the by world, because as you know, the codes will be reading from the top to the down, and this is working fine. Yep. And the second thing is finding the parent elements. For example, you have a child element and you want to find the parent element, So the parent element of this child is main. Yep. So if I write this code, which is child, if I have to first of all choose the child, and then I have to look for the parent. So if I do main.parent, so main's parent will be body, right? So what I'm going to write here, first of all, yep, let's write here $sign. Yep, I'm going to write here class, which is child, and I'm going to write parent, and I'm going to give some CSS, and I can write here background color can be red. However, if we go back, as you can see, it's automatically changed regarding the text, the red, which is our main div. Yep, this is working fine also. And the second thing also, we can even choose all the ancestors in our parent, which is using parents. So the ancestors means like we have a div, the big parent, right? And after that we have body. So the body is the main parent of the div. So it is a like grandfather, we can call, right? And this means we can choose all the parents here too. Yeah, this is amazing. So some people also ask, like, can we use JavaScript, we use console log here. So if I am using the console log, and if I try to choose, for example, dot child, and after that dot parents, oh, give me some seconds. Yep, and I have to close this. And if I go back and if I open the console here and look at this, as you can see, it's coming. This works without any problem because this is a script, and where we're using console can be worked. There's no any kind of problems will be. So if I open here, as you can see, the first 0 index, as you can see, let me make a bit bigger for you. There is a div which is main, and after that, yeah, you can see here also. So let's go back to the console, and after that we have a body here. Yep. So main, which is jQuery is coming. Yep. Let's close this, and then body is coming, and then HTML. So it means, so the first parent element is HTML is coming, and then body, and then main. Yep. This is amazing. So, and the next thing that we are going to learn today is navigating sibling elements. So what is siblings? You know, in our life we have siblings too, right? And sibling elements which you can use with, and you can select with three keywords, which is next, pref, and siblings. So next means which selects the next sibling, and pref means which selects the previous sibling. So, and which you are using siblings, which selects all the siblings. So for example, we have here 2 paragraphs, and I'm choosing child, and if I write siblings, it will choose the P, which is this one. So let me give for this another class, for example, sibling, right? And now I'm going to write here, so let me close this. Okay, let me do this first. I want to just comment them, and here instead of our console log, what I'm going to write here, child dot siblings, and let's see what will come. If I open this, as you can see, as a sibling, the class which we given here is sibling. This one is coming in the 0 index. Yep. So as we thought, this is working fine. So now what I'm going to here, I'm going to add another P. So, and I'm going to write something, right? Maybe we can write lorem3, and then I'm going to add a class for that called next sibling. Okay, and if I go back, as you can see, we have two siblings now. Yeah, this is working fine, as you can see here also. And if I use, instead of siblings, pref, which chooses this sibling. If I open this, we have sibling only this one. And if I choose next instead of pref, so it will choose after it, after this one, so which is next sibling. So this is working fine. So today we have learned a lot of things, I hope, and we have learned about how to find the child elements and how to find the parent elements and how to navigate in the DOM. We can use also click, like in the DOM manipulation. In the previous video we learned that you can use all of them. And next, pref and siblings find the elements on the same level. So in the next video we are going to learn about filtering and searching elements with jQuery. If you like this video, share with your friends and hit the subscribe button to master your web development skills. See you in the next videos.